Hello students, we are designing a simple web page with head, title and body. We have in previous video we have done how to create a HTML document, how to save it, and then how to store it at a particular location, how to start a HTML document, how to close and open the text, how to put header, and then after that how to put title. Now we are going to design body of the HTML page. For this, what you have to do, as I told you that you have to open the tag at the starting and close the tag at the end. Okay, and whatever you want to write, you have to write in inside of the opening and closing tag. Now I am doing another thing. I am writing here body. Now question will come in your mind that ma'am, you are saying that if you are opening the tag first, you have to close it at the end. So what about head? If you have opened head here, so head should be closed here. Title here, so title should be last third? No. Because two sections are here, head section and body section. We have designed head section up to here. So leave the head. Now we are going to work on body section. So after head you must start body section. And body is open, so what you have to do? Body should be closed. Now whatever you will write, everything you will write only in body. Title, the work of head and title is only this much. Give head section, write title of the web page. Now the main thing or the second main tag is body tag. Whatever you want to write inside the body of page, you have to use body tag. What is body tag? Angular brackets open, close body, and then close the body tag, but before the HTML, because HTML is the root tag. It is the root tag. Now body open and body close. Now inside the body, here what I need, I want to write hello. On my page I want to write hello, simple text. So what you have to do, I told you, for the text or the data you don't need to use any tag. Okay, for the body, for the head, title you need tags, but for the data you don't need any tag. So what you have to do, just write hello here. Inside the body, just write hello. This is a text. This is simple text. So don't use any tag or brackets. It's a simple text. So write hello here. After writing this, what you will get your web page like this. Now one more thing, remember it. We have saved our document first time. Okay. And if you are doing any change in the HTML document, if you are doing any change in the notepad file, like if you have put the dot, okay, you have to save it. Otherwise it will not give result. Okay. So remember it. Always after doing change, after writing anything, after deleting anything, just save it once again. And to save it once again, just press Ctrl plus S. No need to give name once again, because you have to give the document name at least only one time, at the first time. Just press Ctrl plus S, your document will get updated. Save it. Now a simple document is here with the body tag, HTML and head tag. Now this is ready, but you will see, or this text, this notepad will come in front of you. Okay, this will not come because we are working in notepad and we are writing code in notepad. How you will get result? It is hidden. You will not get this by default. Okay, you will see only this much on the computer screen. So how you will get this result? And you know that where web page will open? Web pages will open in the web browser. So click on the web browser, or just go to that file where you have saved your file. We have saved this file at the desktop with name Jyoti. Just double click on it. When you will double click on it, you will get that web page open in your web browser, or just click on the web browser icon, blank page will come. Just go to the file button in web browser and open, and just open your file, like simple file you can open. Okay, so your web page will get there. Now if you are changing here hello, now I am going to change here how are you. Okay, I have written one more text, but in web page it is already open now. In web page you will get only hello. Why? First of all, you have updated this control plus S, press control plus S once again to update it, save it. Save control plus S. Here, after that you will not get the result. You will get the previous one document only. So for this, you have to do something for this also. Refresh it. Press F5. Refresh it or reload it. Okay. When you will reload or refresh it, you will get the updated result. Otherwise, you will get previous result. So, updated result is what? You will get how are you. But one more thing is here. How are you will not come downside of hello. How are you will come just after hello. As I told you, if you want to do small thing in HTML document, you have to use tag. Hello, you have written downside in Notepad, but in web page you will get in same line. You will not get in next page. You will get in the same line on the web page. Why? Because you have not mentioned that these lines will come in two lines, separate lines. For this you have to use a tag. What tag? Where you need the gap. In hello and how are you? So just after hello write BR tag. What is this BR? Break tag. Break. तोड़ना. So क्या होगा इससे? What happened? Hello and how are you will break. So now when you will save it and when you will refresh it, what you will get here? You will get like this. How are you? Your how are you line will come in next line. Okay, first you will get hello, then one line break will come because of this break tag, and then you will get how are you. Clear, students? So how to create a simple HTML document, how to save it, how to open it in web browser, how to update and once again save it, and how to open in web browser and refresh it. So for this latest result, first of all you have to control plus S, you have to press control plus S, save it again, and for the latest result here, what you have to do, you have to press F5 or reload or refresh it. So it is that is how to create an HTML document. Now you will see the demo of this. Clear?